What's up, guys? This is Chad Savage. I'm out here at the fairgrounds with my friends. Say what's up.
Hey.
But yeah, I just figured I'd come out here, spend a little time with them, and see what's going on. So the fireworks start at 10 o'clock. So if you're out here, just come say what's up. But yeah, just show you around here. There's Elwood. Say hi. But there's sunset. But yeah, just out here for a little bit. Those are other people's fireworks. That's not over here.
GoPro camera.
But yeah, just out here for a little bit, watch fireworks and.
Yeah, they're going to start pretty soon.
Oh yeah, yep. Here in about 55 minutes. But yeah, just out here. So, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. Please comment and share my videos. But I'm gonna get off here. I'll take some more once there's fireworks going on. So, Chad Savage out. Ciao.